Tired of spending extra time in the kitchen for the simplest tasks? Get ready to cook smarter, clean faster, and cut down the effort with these clever Amazon kitchen gadgets. From prepping to organizing, each pick is designed to make your routine smoother and way more efficient. You'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Stop wrapping half an avocado in plastic and hoping for the best. These reusable fruit and veggie savers are shaped to hug your leftover produce and keep it fresh longer. The flexible silicone film creates an airtight seal, so air stays out and flavor stays in. Just twist the lid to lock it, then stack it neatly in your fridge. From tomatoes and onions to apples and even cheese, you keep everything fresher, organized, and ready to eat. Fresh pasta doesn't have to mean hours in the kitchen. This compact automatic pasta maker kneads and extrudes the dough for you, so you get homemade noodles in about 18 minutes. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and watch it turn flour into spaghetti, penne, or fettuccine. The double extrusion system pushes the dough through twice, giving you smooth, consistent texture every time. It's small enough to stay on your counter, ready whenever you crave a cozy pasta night. Why grab a knife and a cutting board when one tool can do both? These 2-in-1 kitchen scissors combine a sharp stainless steel blade with a built-in mini cutting board for quick, even cuts. Just snip down and your veggies, fruit, cheese, or even meat are sliced in seconds. The safety lock keeps them secure in your drawer and adds extra control while you cut. Easy to clean and comfortable to hold, they make food prep faster and way less messy. No space for a full-size dishwasher? No problem. This portable countertop dishwasher sits neatly on your counter, but still handles a full load of plates, cups, and cutlery. Fill the built-in water tank or connect it to your faucet, then choose from 5 wash programs, including a high-temperature baby care mode for extra deep cleaning. After washing, hot air drying and automatic ventilation keep everything fresh and odor-free. You get sparkling dishes without remodeling your kitchen. Eggs for breakfast don't have to be boring. This 6-in-1 electric egg cooker lets you boil, poach, fry, scramble, or even make fluffy egg bites in one compact machine. Add water with the measuring cup, place your eggs in the tray, and let it do the work in about 10 minutes. The built-in non-stick skillet means food won't cling, so cleanup is quick and easy. You get perfect eggs your way without juggling pans on the stove. Chopping veggies shouldn't leave your eyes watery and your hands smelling like garlic. This 4-in-1 electric slicer and mini food processor cuts, chops, and grinds in seconds with just one push. Slide in scallions, chili peppers, or sausages, and it slices them straight into your pan. Switch attachments, and it quickly handles garlic, ginger, or nuts without you touching a blade. It's cordless, rechargeable, and easy to rinse clean, so you can prep faster anywhere you cook. Fresh orange juice tastes better when you don't have to wrestle with it. This electric citrus juicer works with one simple press, squeezing oranges, lemons, or limes for you. The powerful motor spins at a steady speed to pull out more juice while staying surprisingly quiet. Just place your fruit on the cone, close the lid, and let it do the work. Detachable parts rinse clean in seconds, so you can enjoy your drink without dreading the cleanup. Garlic doesn't have to mean sticky fingers and lingering smells. This mini electric chopper handles garlic, onions, chili, and more with one simple press. Sharp stainless steel blades spin fast to mince everything evenly in seconds. It's USB rechargeable, so you can use it anywhere without being tied to a cord. Pop the cup and blades off for easy cleaning, and you've got a compact helper that makes everyday cooking quicker and cleaner. Baking and cooking just got a lot easier. This digital measuring spoon lets you weigh ingredients from 1 to 800 grams with super high precision. Switch between grams, ounces, cups, or milliliters on the bright LCD screen for quick, accurate measurements. It works for both liquids and solids, making it perfect for recipes big or small. Lightweight and detachable, it's easy to clean, store, and carry, so you always get the perfect portion every time. Tired of messy pepper mills and uneven seasoning? This electric grinder lets you adjust coarseness on the outside, so your hands stay clean while you grind. It's USB rechargeable, so no batteries to replace, and the motor powers through pepper, salt, and even other spices with ease. The stainless steel body looks sleek on any counter, while the ceramic core ensures smooth, consistent grinding every time. Add fresh flavor to your meals without any hassle or mess. Tired of scrubbing until your arms ache? This cordless electric spin scrubber takes the hard work out of cleaning. With 2 speeds, it tackles everything from light soap scum to stubborn grime in minutes. The digital battery display keeps you in control, and a single charge lasts up to 3 hours. 6 interchangeable brush heads mean you can clean sinks, tubs, windows, or even car wheels. Lightweight, waterproof, and ergonomic, it makes cleaning effortless and even a little fun. Dinner just got a whole lot easier and more fun. This electric hot pot has 4 separate compartments, so you can cook different broths or dishes at the same time without mixing flavors. With 2,000 watts power, it heats water to a boil in just minutes and keeps your meal at the perfect temperature. The non-stick surface makes cleanup simple, and heat-resistant handles keep you safe while cooking. Big enough for 3 to 6 people, it's perfect for family meals or parties. Say goodbye to clumpy drinks. This self-stirring coffee mug mixes your coffee, cocoa, protein shakes, or tea evenly with just the press of a button. The built-in magnetic stirrer spins your drink smoothly so you don't have to lift a spoon. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for the office, car, or home. Made with a stainless steel liner and easy-to-clean plastic shell, it doubles as a regular cup when you don't need stirring. Batteries power the fun, giving you effortless drinks anytime. Make your next party a hit with this 4-grid beverage dispenser. It spins a full 360 degrees, letting you serve 4 different drinks without moving a thing. Each compartment holds up to 1.5 gallons, perfect for lemonade, iced tea, juice, or mixed drinks. Just press the tap to pour, and everyone can help themselves. Made from food-safe plastic, it handles hot or cold beverages without affecting taste. Compact, versatile, and easy to rotate, it's perfect for indoors or outdoor gatherings. Cooking indoors without smoke is finally possible. This portable range hood sits right on your countertop and zaps away smoke, odors, and grease with powerful suction. Its 5-layer filtration system, including activated carbon, keeps air fresh while LED lights brighten your workspace. 3 adjustable speeds handle everything from light simmering to heavy indoor BBQs. Compact, quiet, and plug and play, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or any small kitchen. No installation or ducts needed, just plug in and cook. Turn veggies into fun, healthy meals in seconds. This 10-blade spiralizer slices everything from zucchini to sweet potatoes into noodles, ribbons, or curly fries. The super strong suction pad keeps it steady while you work, and each blade is ultra sharp for effortless, precise cuts. It comes with a catch container, lid, and safe blade storage, so prep is tidy and easy. Compact and easy to clean, it's perfect for low-carb, gluten-free, or plant-based meals the whole family will enjoy. Craving fresh, homemade noodles without the hassle? This electric pasta maker whips up spaghetti, fettuccine, or wide noodles in seconds with just a push of a button. It even comes with a sausage-making attachment for extra kitchen fun. The stainless steel blades ensure every batch is safe, hygienic, and perfectly shaped. Portable and rechargeable, it can make up to 100 bowls of noodles on a single charge. Easy to use, clean, and store. It turns noodle making into a quick, satisfying experience. Start your morning with a hot, custom-made sandwich in minutes. This breakfast sandwich maker lets you layer eggs, cheese, meats, and your favorite bread exactly how you like. The built-in egg ring keeps everything neat while cooking evenly. Just a few simple steps and your breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwich is ready to enjoy. Dishwasher safe, non-stick parts make cleanup a breeze. Perfect for quick meals or brunches without leaving your kitchen. Slice like a pro without risking your fingers. This Mandoline Slicer quickly turns vegetables and fruits into uniform slices, from super thin to chunky, with an easy thickness adjustment. Its built-in stainless steel blades do all the work while keeping you safe. The non-slip base and ergonomic handle make slicing stable and effortless. Foldable and dishwasher safe, it's simple to store and clean. Perfect for potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more. It speeds up meal prep while keeping your kitchen safe. Tired of wrestling with hard butter? This rechargeable electric knife melts it instantly, making spreading smooth and easy. Cold butter, chocolate, coconut oil, or peanut butter, everything glides effortlessly onto your toast or bread. With 2 heat modes, you can tackle soft spreads or really stubborn sticks. Cordless and USB-C rechargeable, it's safe, portable, and perfect for breakfast, baking, or gifting to anyone who loves a quick kitchen hack. Say goodbye to uneven baking. This rotating oven spins your food continuously, so everything cooks perfectly on all sides. Top and bottom heating elements work together or separately, giving you full control for the best results. A built-in timer lets you walk away without worry, and it automatically shuts off when done. Energy efficient, it uses up to 60% less power than a regular oven. Plus, the non-stick pan is removable, making cleanup quick and easy. Meet your personal kitchen assistant. This private robot chef handles cooking from start to finish, making meals effortless and precise. It comes with an intelligent system, 50 recipes, a PFOA-free stainless steel pan, and dishwasher-safe containers, so cleanup is a breeze. Use the included spatulas, extended arm, and spice pods to customize stir-fries, sauces, or noodles exactly how you like. With zero maintenance, easy refill containers, and full support. It's like having a professional chef in your home. Keep your drinks fresh and spill-free. These colorful soda can lids snap onto most cans, creating an airtight seal while the built-in silicone straw makes sipping easy. Reusable and dishwasher safe. They're an eco-friendly way to ditch single-use straws. Perfect for home, office, or picnics. Each lid helps you enjoy your favorite beverages without mess. With 6 vibrant colors, you can mix, match, and even keep track of everyone's drink in style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.